Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here we go, theme park. Today I'm going to show you Mario Kart's single rider queue line plus the POV of the Mario Kart attraction itself. Yay, let's go! Wow, the Bowser music is so awesome at the background. As you can see, only single riders can see Bowser's full back. The normal lines cannot see this view. All these people are the normal line people, and I'm almost there. Ah. Got the Mario hat, haha! They actually clean these hats inside of like a dishwasher, I think. It's so clean, so nice. Come on, open it, open it. Yes, finally, it's opened, yes! So this is the single rider line. It's empty for today, and that's why I can ride this like all day long. There are so many stairs, and the reason is because the upper floor is the queue area, and the basement is the attraction area. So this Nintendo World is so small, so they have like these space restrictions. That's why they separated into two floors. That's why there are so many stairs. So be prepared to climb down and climb up all day long. And this is the instruction video. So this is how you wear the hat. First of all, you could dial it out and you can dial it in. First you dial it out and then you put the hat on, and then this is how you fix it. So this is why you have to have a haircut, because it will move like this. So have a haircut, guys. So this is the attraction boarding area. It took around 5 minutes for today. And sometimes it could take up to maybe 30 minutes. And yeah, always use the single rider line to ride this all day long.
The attraction is temporarily interrupted. Please remain seated. Thank you for your cooperation.
And this is the POV for Mario Kart. This is so addictive. I actually got 4 points even if I didn't do anything. It's so weird. How did I get 4 points? So that was it. I'm gonna go again. Here we go.